everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a clickable Shopify store link on your TikTok bio. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up a particular browser on a mobile phone like I have done so, and simply sign in. Once you have signed in, simply copy up your Shopify store link. Once you're done copying it up, then once you have opened up a TikTok account, go to your profile at the bottom right, and now simply you have to go to your bio, right? So for that, simply go ahead, tap on this edit profile. Now here you will find the bio section, right? Now go ahead, tap on it, and you can simply choose to come over here and paste the link as well, right? Simply go ahead, go over here and simply come over here and paste your particular link. And once you have pasted the link, tap on the save option on top right corner, and your link will be saved, and which will be clickable. Yes, and the link will be ready to be used. So that is how you will be able to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.